Alright, here's the plan. Today is windy again, but it's like 85 degrees today. A bit humid because it was raining yesterday. But because I still have some salsa and chips left over, I am going to go fishing right there at the Shark Channel Bridge. It's about 100 yards that way, if that. But to make things interesting, I'm going to go a quarter of a mile that way, cast net some pilchards, and then cast net some glass minnows, and then run back over to the bridge, pick up a couple mangroves, do a half Mangrove Snapper Ceviche, and then a half of Mangrove Snapper fried nachos. So that's the plan. All right, we've arrived at the bait spot, so just gonna throw the net a couple times, grab some pilchards in one, and then a scoop of glass minnows in the other, and then head on back where we started from. Alrighty, I think we got all our bait. Alright, we're anchored up underneath the Shark Channel Bridge. I'm one section open from the white painted area, which is where the boats go through. I've switched over to the knocker rig so I could pin the baits on the bottom, let them struggle around there. So just got a 1 ounce weight, number 3 circle hook, my normal pinfish rig. Then dropping it over there by those pylons and just sitting back and waiting for them. Yay! One for dinner. Nice eater one. There, we've got dinner. This one's going to be the ceviche one. All right, let's go home, cook these up, and talk about what we're going to do for 2017.
Okay, we've got our 2 snappers. Both 13 inches, so perfect eating size. I'm actually going to do one on the half shell, and what that is that I just fillet them. I don't take the skin off or the scales, just leave them on, just fillet them. And then I'm going to put them on the barbecue with the skin scale side down, and just basically put some butter, salt, pepper on top, and that's it. I don't flip them, I just let them cook like that. So the main heat is deflected by the scales, and then the skin keeps it moist on the bottom, and then with the lid closed on the barbecue, that just basically bakes the fillets there. Then the other one, I'm actually going to do a ceviche, and that's kind of going to be like hors d'oeuvres. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these guys out now and get ready. Going on the cheap side today. No Tostitos. Okay, everything's cooked, ready to go. Now we just need to do the final assembly on everything, and then we can eat. Alright, the main courses that we've got are the Mangrove Snapper Nachos, and then we've got the bare bones set up for the Mangrove Snapper Ceviche. So we'll get this one set up first. I've already drained some of the lemon juice, so there's not a ton. Don't want to add too much salsa because it doesn't need it. And then I'm going to go with some fresh onions. There's onions and stuff already in there. It's probably cilantro as well, but it doesn't hurt to kind of spice it up a bit. And then give that a little bit of a mix. Give it a little bit of color. Doesn't hurt. Okay. And then I still actually need to season this up a bit because I haven't even put any seasoning on this. So I'm just going to do just a basic salt and pepper. Alright, then we've got the nachos, so we're going to just basically put the same toppings. I just want to freshen it up with some fresh onions, give it a little crunch, and then also some cilantro, color and flavor. Okay, then we've got to add the I'll probably just put some around the edges a little bit. And then I could dip into it as needed. A little bit of sour cream. And then we'll do the same with some guacamole. Avocados are like $2 each, and they're green and not usable, so we'll go with the semi-real, semi-artificial. Okay, final result. What do we have? We've got Mangrove Snapper Ceviche, utilizing the bachelor method, I think they called it in the comments, which is using salsa instead of all the fresh ingredients. But then topped it off since I was at home, so I added fresh chopped cilantro, fresh chopped onions, and we're good to go there. Throw in some chips, and you've got yourself a meal there. But then we've got over here is that we've taken a standard nachos plate, which is chips and cheese, and then and salsa, jarred salsa. but I did a mangrove snapper fillet on the half shell, and then topped that with salsa, sour cream, and guacamole to top it off with a good bar menu there. And then last night or yesterday it rained, so I got a fresh supply of coconuts came dropping down. So I used an old drill and a straw, and I got fresh coconut water there. And that is our meal for the day.